Hello. Gaminsime vištienos krūtinėlės su pomidorais, paprikomis ir sūriu.
Hello and welcome. Start by cutting a chicken breast to about 2/3 down into a chicken. Season it with salt and pepper. Insert a slice of tomato between the chicken, a slice of bell pepper, a basil leaf, a slice of mozzarella, grate some harder cheese such as Parmesan on top, sprinkle it with some olive oil. This is where we had made a rather big mistake. At first we set the temperature way too low. The chicken was not cooking, so we changed the temperature to 220°C or 430°F, and finally something started happening. Anyway, the cooking time in this temperature should be around 30 to 40 minutes or something like that.
Mūsų du broliukai, abu nežinoti.
Mama, tu vyresnė, tai tu pirmą paragauk.
Taip, aš jau pirmutinė paragaus, nes aš daugiausiai dirbau. Net suprakaitavau vaikelį. Kaip skanu.
Okay, I'll try it now.
Labai sutinga mėsytė.
Yeah, I really like it. Do you like it? Patinka?
Patinka. Reikia valgyti greičiau, kol nesuvalgyti dar.
Tai sakyk, thanks for watching. Ačiū,
Thanks.
kad žiūrėjai.
Ačiū, kad žiūrėjote.
Ir sutiksime kitą kartą.
Iki sutiksim kitą kartą. Ate.
Gerai, galima.
Aš žinai, pasakysiu, dar čia galima įdėti česnakų arba svogūną į tą mėsą, ne?
Galima.
Jo?
Thank you guys for watching. You would help even more if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our current goal is to reach 1000 subscribers and we really want to reach this number. Anyway, also consider pressing the bell button to see our videos first, and or use one of the links in the description below to support us. Until next time, goodbye. Cheers.